literally my English is worse than my German. I'm just like, ever since I learned German, my English is just... Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. It's been a long time, I know, since the last time I uploaded a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about my experience in learning the German language. How did I learn German?
Régulation de la propriété.
Regulation of property.
Dispositivo di fondo.
Grundstücksverkehrsgenehmigungszuständigkeitsübertragungsverordnung.
And then how can I speak like really confident right now in German? And without any further ado, let's get started. So the first time I learned German was back when I was in Indonesia. I learned from A1 until B2 back in my home country. And it took me around 1 until 2 years to learn German. And after that, I moved to Germany because I wanted to study in Germany. The first time I got in Germany, I was alone. Of course, I was so scared. I was like, okay, what if I can't understand them? What if like their accent, I don't get anything? And that's what I experienced at the time. I'm really confident with my English. It was a bad thing because I always change to English whenever I have difficulties in talking in German, and I regretted it. I'm here now in Germany, and why didn't I speak in German? So the first month when I was in Germany, I was still having a trouble in understanding them. I still had the thing, I needed time to talk to them in German. It's just like my mind is kind of like having all of these German grammars. For example, I'm talking, but then at the same time my brain is just like, weil am Ende Verben, and I was like, And then also at the moment, most of my friends don't speak in German, even though we're in Germany, and that's also the reason why it didn't help my German. We just spoke in our mother language, which is not helping at all. It's another tips, literally. You're now in Germany, so just talk in German. I know it must be hard, but for real, I'm gonna tell you why. After that, when I moved to Greifswald, my friends, they all can speak good German in the student colleague. I think it's because they've been living here in Germany. Meanwhile, I just got here in Germany. The thing is, we felt more comfortable to talk in English. So in those 1 year student colleague, we just spoke in German while we were in class. But when we got out from class, then we spoke in English, which is also really bad, and it's disadvantage for me because in this situation I need to improve my German. After that, I got accepted in Leipzig, in the University of Leipzig, so I decided to move. By the time I moved to Leipzig, I'm really glad because most of my friends, they prefer to speak in German, not in English, even though all of them can speak in English, but they were like, can we just change to German because I feel more comfortable talking in German. And at first I was kind of like, oh yeah, sure. I was kind of like still always having that feeling that you just want to switch to English, you know. But at the same time, I'm also like, this is my chance. I have to speak in German right now. I started to talk in German with them every day. And as well, I met my boyfriend at this moment, and then he's from Ireland and his mother language is English. So he was like, please, let's just talk in German because I don't want to speak in my mother language. I want to improve my German skills. So I agreed. I was like, okay, starting from now, we're just talking in German. And this is the reason why I told you guys, just force yourself to speak in German. This is like the Zeitpunkt. This is my era when I moved to Germany, and this is my student colleague era. So it's just like, my German is just like this. And this is my student colleague era for 1 year. My German is like, And this is the moment I finished my student colleague and the moment I decided to move to Leipzig, and this is me right now, and it's just like this. I had a lot of moments when I was just like, can we just switch to German because I don't feel comfortable talking in English? And then now I'm like really comfortable just talking in German. And also I was working as well in Germany, especially I was working with customers, which means I have to talk, answering questions, explaining stuff, everything in German. And until now I'm still learning German. It's like I write the vocabs that I don't know, and whenever I watch Netflix, I always watch it in German. So that's my experience on how did I learn to speak German. So that was my experience on learning the German language, and I hope you guys like it, and see you in my next video. Bye!